It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Friday, the 22nd of November. I'm Michael Groff. Active weather hit the valley yesterday afternoon with a hodgepodge of events. We had showers, thunderstorms that produced heavy rain, reports of funnel clouds with weak radar-indicated rotation over South Phoenix. And if you were in Laveen, Goodyear, Avondale, Peoria, it turned into a winter wonderland with some of these pictures. Check this out. We had hail between pea size all the way up to $half size. And in Maricopa, it was covering the ground almost 2 inches deep in a few locations. So nothing like that today. We'll start to dry out. Temperatures will be warming up to around normal levels for this weekend, but active weather returns by the middle part of next week with a significant rain event possible just in time for Thanksgiving. So a lot going on. Let's get into it first. The almanac from yesterday, 62 degrees was all we managed to get to officially for our high temperature. That low of 53 occurred at 11:59 p.m. An 1/1800th of an inch of rain at Sky Harbor, bringing the storm total there to 8400ths, but some spots, many spots around Metro Phoenix saw between 1 and 2 inches. All right, outside now here at 7:25 a.m., partly cloudy skies, 52 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 46, humidity 82%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, 42 is the cool spot up on Thompson Peak. Most of us are in the mid-40s to low 50s. The upper air look still have broad troughing here over the west, but that's pulling away out into the plain states gradually. And so we'll see drier air filtering in. The watch warning map, we do have a dense fog advisory over a good portion of southeast Arizona this morning in the wake of all that rain and high elevation snows that we saw. So watch out for that. But here in the valley, we haven't really had too many reports of fog yet. Convective outlook for today, the marginal risk from around the Sabine Pass, Beaumont, Port Arthur, Texas, up toward southwest Mississippi. And the precipitation outlook valid through next Friday morning from the WPC. Around an inch of rain possible again here in Phoenix with 2-inch plus totals for the higher terrain. And that is at least part of the storm system that will be affecting us by middle to latter portions of next week. We'll get into the details of that and everything else now as we check out the models. Have a look at it. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. All right, our trough is pulling away, but you do see another system off the California coast there. That is going to form into a cutoff low and sort of a Rex block pattern off of the west coast of the U.S. and off the Baja coast. And that's significant because that'll draw a bunch of subtropical moisture northward to just off the Mexican coast over the weekend. Now, in the short term, not really going to affect us. Down at the surface today, we'll see decreasing clouds. Partly sunny this morning, a few patches of fog, then mostly sunny this afternoon. High temperatures in the mid-60s, and that's several degrees below average. Tonight, clear skies, lows in the 40s. Tomorrow, mostly sunny. High temperatures around 70, maybe even the low 70s. Same thing on Sunday, low 70s likely, and the sky mostly sunny. On Monday, our cutoff low begins to meander a little bit further to the east. It'll be well to our southwest at that point, though. But some clouds will start to filter their way in. High temperatures in the low 70s. Then Tuesday, we've got a trough rapidly deepening off of the west coast, diving down toward Northern California. And we'll see clouds continue to increase. A subtropical jet will start to nose northward across northwest Mexico and into southeast Arizona, so moisture will continue to increase, maybe some showers there. And I guess there's a small chance we could see some rain in here as early as Tuesday night for Phoenix. Highs on Tuesday back in the mid and upper 60s. Wednesday, the trough continues to dig down the west coast. Southwest flow increases. More moisture comes in off the Pacific. So kind of a mostly cloudy day and a chance of rain. In fact, rain will become likely by Wednesday night. And high temperatures Wednesday, again, mid-60s or so. And then Thanksgiving Day, this could be a real wet one for us with a deepening trough. Broad southwesterly flow bringing in plenty of moisture. Rain is now likely. The models are coming into very good agreement this far out. Again, this is 6-7 days out, and we're seeing excellent model consistency here. So it looks like it could be a very wet Thanksgiving with high temperatures only in the low to middle 60s. Here's a week from today. This is Friday the 29th. Yes, it's Black Friday, and we could see some widespread rain. Heavy at times, if this is correct. Now, the timing, the intensity, a lot of the specific forecast details are likely to change between now and then. But just know the idea of unsettled and cool conditions seems to be on the table for the latter half of next week and maybe even into the following weekend, because here's Saturday the 30th and that trough is still lurking about the southwest. It's moving off to the east, but we could still see some showers then. And then here's the end of the forecast period. This is Sunday, the 1st of December. It's the first day of meteorological winter, and conditions would be drying out. Temperatures would be moderating just a bit, back a little bit closer to normal, but likely still somewhere several degrees below average. And we see that as we look at the temperatures off the GFS ensemble. Highs dropping into the 50s by the end of next week and the following weekend. Overnight lows in the 40s and conditions wet. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there. You guys have yourselves a fantastic Friday and a great weekend.